How does your family wind down after a long day? Today I'll be showing you a recipe that everyone can enjoy after work or school.
Mama ye sik fan, Mommy daddy sik fan. Ba mẹ ăn cơm.
Hi, I'm Jeanette, and here at Walking Kin I share my childhood recipes so you can reconnect with yours. Today's recipe is all about winding down as a family. It's a rare occurrence for us, but it's certainly something to cherish every time it happens. To start, bring 1.5 litres of water to boil and pour half a cup of uncooked sago in. Stir everything continuously for 10 minutes so they don't clump up or stick to the pot's base. Then turn the heat off, put the lid on and let it cook using the residual heat for 20 minutes or until completely transparent. Meanwhile, set up an ice bath for later. When cooked, pour the sago through a sieve under running cold water to loosen them. Then transfer the pearls straight into the ice bath. Doing this step will help to keep the sago springy and tight. A full list of these ingredients can be found at walkingkin.com, where we share step-by-step instructions so you can cook this recipe at your own pace. To prepare the taro, peel and cut 1 kilo of the root vegetable into 1 centimeter slices, then 1 centimeter chunks. Transfer them onto a plate and steam the chunks for 15 minutes. Now get a blender out and add some taro chunks, coconut cream and water. For every half a cup of taro, blitz it with half a tablespoon of coconut cream and 3 tablespoons of water. Blitz everything until it becomes a smooth paste. You can also leave half of the taro pieces unblended to enjoy as chunks. For the sugar water, bring 1 litre of water to a boil and melt 150 grams of rock sugar in it until completely dissolved. Then pour the liquid into a separate bowl. Using the same pot as before, bring the remaining 500 milliliters of coconut cream to a simmer. When simmering, add the taro paste in and stir until it's all mixed. Pour in the taro chunks, sugar water and half a teaspoon of salt, stirring to combine all the ingredients. Then drain the sago and add them into the dessert pot. Stir it gently to mix everything together. You can let it simmer for another 10 minutes to combine or serve it as is. And there you have it, our family's sago soup with taro, a dessert to bring everyone together. To make the most out of this experience, here are our tips for the best results. Number 1, avoid overstirring. Stirring too much will break and mush the sago soup. Number 2, use fresh taro. Frozen doesn't compare to the fresh flavour and texture of the root vegetable. Number 3, keep the coconut cream at a simmer. If it boils for too long, it will start to burn at the pot's base, leaving charred flakes in your dessert. Gathering around in front of the TV with a bowl of hot sago soup with taro is the ultimate dessert fix. It's the best way to wind down after a long day while your family's favourite TV show is playing. TVB was our favourite. What's yours? For more familiar childhood experiences, like and subscribe to our channel. If you're craving something sweet, I've created a playlist of desserts just for you. See you in the next video.